Okay, let's look at this scaling in trade live here. So this is in my live trading account. Now I've got a trade on with natural gas. I've got a green pro trend system. I've got a target up here at 24.79 on the daily chart. Now I'm going to go down to my 1 hour time frame because this is where I started the scaling in process today. You can see here there's blue lines. In fact, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 blue lines, and they are my position entries. I'm trading natural gas. I'm not a big trader of natural gas during the day at all, but we've got a live trade going on here. You can see the actual time ticking down on the right hand side. So what I'm going to do, my first trade, which was in at 22.88, I'm going to get my stop to break even on that. I'm going to raise it above my entry. My second position, I'm going to do the same. I'm going to put it above my entry. I can't lose on the trade. The third position, which is this blue line here, I'm going to get the stop and I'm going to put it above my entry right here. Now, I haven't got a stop for this last trade. I'll put a stop on later on tonight. But this is the trade that really makes the least amount of money because it's the last trade in. The first trade in makes the most money. All right, so that's what it looks like. Now, it can get a little messy on the charts, of course, because I've got multiple positions. You know, I can get up to like 10, 12 positions if I'm going for a big weekly swing trade. But if you're day trading it and you get that lovely buy signal, you know, this could really take off natural gas. It's getting above the daily swing high here. I'll show you this. It's breaking above. We could certainly get to 24.79. We're breaking above that recent high here. Nice pro trend system buy. So we can really move higher, guys, on natural gas. And the thing is, this is where you can grow your account pretty quickly. If you're just doing scalpy trades from, well, this is a 1 hour chart and you wouldn't be scalping off a 1 hour chart. You'd be scalping off a 10-second chart or a 1 minute chart. But if you're going for an intraday trade like this and you think it could run for most of the day, then why not use a scaling in process and add to the winners? What I see is a lot of traders get into profit, and as soon as they're in profit, they want to get out the trade as quick as possible. They're a little bit nervous about running the profits. And to be really good at trading, you've just got to sit back and let the strategy play out. And if you do get stopped out, well, you know, those big moves that you can sit through that really go on for a big profitable trade and make more money than you've ever traded, ever done in one trade, this makes up for all those, you know, those break-even trades. But your job as a trader is to get your stop to break even as quick as possible. Okay, now I've got free trades here, as in free, that I can't lose on these three. I can lose on that one here at the top, that's fine, but my upside is much greater than the downside here. And what I mean by that is, you know, if this runs, it could make a couple of £1,000, and I've now got free trade. All right, the skill of trading is how to let those profits run, when to get out of a trade. And as I just said, I see a lot of traders, when they're in profit, they get out very quickly because they've had a loss before or a recent loss, and they feel a little bit of pain from that loss, so they grab the profits quickly. The markets are there every day. There are opportunities every morning in a live trading room. There are opportunities every week, guys. You've got to let those profits run. It doesn't matter if they come back to break even, some of them, as long as you're not having big losses. If you can stop big losses, really cut down on having big losing trades and let those winners run, your account is obviously going to grow. If you're doing the opposite by letting the losses run and cutting those winning trades, then your account will never grow. One thing I've learned in the last 20 years, the market is there to fake you out of the trade or the trend. All right, so what I mean by that is, you know, if the price starts to come down here, people get worried and nervous, and that's normal when you're a beginner. But then it ends up here. If you understand that price goes up, comes down, in an uptrend, then you're going to expect those pullbacks. If you can't handle the pullbacks, if you're going for a big move, get yourself a dog and take your dog for a walk, or get out on your bike, or get to the gym. All right, guys, don't watch it, because at the end of the day, you're going to get faked out, and then you'll look back and go, oh, I wish I was still in that trade, and it's gone on another 1,000 points. All right, hope it helps. here to help you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like these training videos. Speak to you soon. And if I can catch some of these more live trades scaling in, I will certainly record them for you. Bye bye now.